Abiotic components. Abiotic components refer to the non-living physical and chemical factors that influence the living organisms within an ecosystem. The main abiotic components include air, water, soil, and climatic factors. These components provide the necessary environment for the survival and growth of biotic components. Air. Air is a mixture of gases that surrounds the Earth. It contains oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other gases that are essential for the survival of living organisms. Role of air. Oxygen in the air is necessary for respiration in animals and plants. Carbon dioxide is required for photosynthesis in plants. Nitrogen in the air is converted into usable forms, nitrates, by certain bacteria that are essential for plant growth. Water. Water is vital for all living organisms. It is involved in various life processes, including digestion, transportation of nutrients, and temperature regulation. The availability of water can determine the types of organisms that can live in a particular ecosystem. Role of water. Serves as a medium for chemical reactions in living organisms. Maintains cell structure and function. Influences the distribution and diversity of organisms. Water in ocean, rivers, lakes, and ponds is home to many living organisms. Soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the Earth's surface where plants grow. It is made up of minerals, organic matter, water, and air. It provides nutrients to plants and acts as a habitat for many organisms, including the decomposers. Role of soil. Supplies essential nutrients to plants. Supports plant roots and anchors them in place. Provides a habitat for microorganisms that decompose organic matter. Minerals and nutrients. Minerals and nutrients in the soil are essential for the growth and development of plants and other organisms. These include nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, among others. Role of minerals and nutrients. Provide essential elements for the growth and development of organisms. Are absorbed by plants and transferred through the food chain. Climatic factors. Climatic factors significantly influence the distribution and behavior of living organisms. These factors include sunlight, temperature, humidity, and wind. Each of these plays a crucial role in determining the types of plants and animals that can thrive in a particular region. Sunlight. Sunlight is the primary source of energy for almost all ecosystems. It drives the process of photosynthesis in producers, which is the foundation of energy flow in ecosystems. The amount and intensity of sunlight can influence the types of organisms that can survive in a particular ecosystems. Many animals are active during the day because they can tolerate bright light. These animals are known as diurnal animals. Some animals, such as earthworms, termites, and cockroaches, avoid bright light and are active during the night. These are referred to as nocturnal animals. Temperature. Temperature is a measure of the warmth or coldness of the environment. It affects the metabolic rates of organisms and the types of species that can thrive in an ecosystem. Different ecosystems have varying temperature ranges that support different forms of life. Most organisms can survive within a temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Humidity. Humidity refers to the amount of water vapor in the air. Water vapor is the gaseous state of water. Humidity is influenced by factors such as wind and rainfall and directly affects the temperature of an area. High humidity decreases the rate of water evaporation, influencing the climate and living conditions in that area. Wind is the movement of air and plays several important roles in the environment. It is an essential agent of pollination for many plants, particularly grasses and trees that produce lightweight pollen grains. It also speeds up the drying process of grains and pulses and enhances the cooling effect on humans by increasing the evaporation of sweat. It increases the rate of evaporation from bodies of water and transpiration from plants.